Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. I hope you're all doing very, very well. We've got some big news coming out today regarding the UK and PayPal. Now we know that PayPal has obviously been in the crypto news for quite a while now. They've been making loads of new moves, making sure that they are attracting a lot more people to use PayPal themselves. Obviously, them being a massive company worldwide, people are going to know them. So if they get involved in cryptocurrency, as I said before, people will ultimately trust using PayPal because of the name. And especially in a time when things do seem to be getting exciting, I feel like they know exactly what they're doing in a sense that they're releasing certain features of their app at the perfect time when hype is probably beginning to come back a little bit. As I always do say, timing's always perfect with these with news, especially within the crypto market. They happen for a reason. This type of news I don't think would be released when Bitcoin was like dipping down to like 30K. Do you know what I mean? These things always just come at these certain times, but it is big news nonetheless. And today we have actually got the news that PayPal launches cryptocurrency trading in the UK. So we did previously know that obviously PayPal were allowing customers to purchase things like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and I believe Litecoin, and just being able to hold it in PayPal. They're actually releasing trading now in the UK. And as I've said before, I do believe that this will just carry on as it's going until it ultimately becomes one massive app that you could basically do everything that Binance offers. Look, we don't know what the future will hold, but it does seem to be going that way. And again, I've mentioned this previously. Do not be surprised if PayPal start listing certain other cryptocurrencies that aren't even like some of the big ones. Don't be surprised if they start listing some mid caps that Binance have, for example, Band, MIR, Luna. Do you know what I mean? Like, I would not be surprised if, later down the line soon, we start seeing PayPal move towards that direction, and ultimately it will just become the cryptocurrency app. So look, it's massive news. Let's have a quick read of it. So this was actually posted yesterday, so I'm a little bit late to bring this out. So you guys might have seen it, but we'll show it to you guys nonetheless. Online payment system PayPal is allowing users in the UK to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrency through its platform for the first time. Customers will be able to choose from four types of cryptocurrency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, those are the ones that I have mentioned. They haven't got XRP there yet either. I'm assuming that's probably because of the case at the moment. I'm sure that will come into play very soon. A new crypto tab will be added to the PayPal platform, showing real time currency prices as well as offering educational content to help answer common questions and learn more about cryptocurrencies, including the potential risks, PayPal said. The payment giant said it hoped that the move to embrace the currency would help improve knowledge and understanding it. And it's one of those things, guys, because I personally think this kind of ties back to everything that's been happening in the UK. So, like, if we're speaking about things like the banks, for example, saying that it's not safe, we're trying to keep your money safe, and it kind of moved away from the whole Binance thing because they started stopping deposits into so many other cryptocurrency exchanges. Yet you've now got PayPal who are introducing this. Not only that, they're going to have a knowledge section where they provide educational content to people about cryptocurrency. So what is actually happening? Do you know what I mean? But nonetheless, it is obviously huge news, and I do feel like this will attract a lot more people to crypto very, very soon as well. So cryptocurrencies remain controversial because of their lack of regulation and volatile value fluctuations. And some critics have raised concerns about the anonymity offered to users as part of transactions, arguing the currencies are being used by cybercriminals to hide their activities. Jose Fernandez de Ponte, Vice President and General Manager for Blockchain, Crypto, and Digital Currencies at PayPal, said the firm's new service will help introduce more people to the technology and how it works, helping to better shape the role the currencies play in the future. The currencies could play in the future. And that's what you want. That's what you want, because people that actually understand cryptocurrency, are the ones that just appreciate it so much more, rather than the people that are just coming in, making a bit of money and then leaving. Someone like myself, I'm massively into crypto now, not only because, of course, we're here for the money and, the gains could be amazing if you play your cards right, but I can appreciate excellent projects that, are being made on a daily basis, that are, the upgrades that are coming, like something like Luna, for example. I feel involved in something like that because I saw it from the beginning and kind of rode the thing all the way up. And it's just seeing how it's shaping the world and the adoption that's taking place and everything else. So I could appreciate things like that. And it seems like PayPal wants people to appreciate things like that as well, which is really good, in my opinion. So the pandemic has accelerated digital change and innovation across all aspects of our lives, including the digitization of money and greater consumer adoption of digital financial services, he said. Our global reach, digital payment expertise, and knowledge of consumer and businesses, combined with rigorous security and compliance controls, provide us the unique opportunity and the responsibility to help people in the UK to explore cryptocurrency. We are committed to continue working closely with regulators in the UK and around the world to offer our support and meaningfully contribute to shaping the role digital currencies will play in the future of global finance and commerce. And again, we want to be working closely with regulators in the UK. And yeah, I mean, you bloody better do, because as you guys know, the regulators in the UK are not very easy to get past. So look, all jokes aside, I hope these guys actually end up doing something with it and making it into a massive app. A lot of people have different opinions of PayPal, understandably so as well. But if they do this right, they could literally take over. They're just beginning. They've only got 4 cryptos on there. Cool, they're the main ones. But God knows what they will be able to offer us. Let's say maybe further down the line in 4 or 5 years, when hopefully there's another bull run, another alt season. What position will PayPal be in then? Like, are they gearing up for that later down the line? Are they going to be listing loads of different cryptocurrencies by then? And then so when that time does come, everyone will probably be using PayPal. We don't know. Look, it's all speculation, but I could see it happening. I could definitely see it happening. PayPal confirmed the new service will begin rolling out this week and will be available to all eligible customers within the next few weeks. The firm has previously launched a similar service in the US, which now also allows users to make purchases at participating businesses using cryptocurrencies, a feature that has not yet been confirmed for release in the UK. So that's basically it. Obviously, massive news, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are on it in the comments below. It'll be interesting to see, because last time I did do a PayPal video, a lot of the comments are very mixed. Some people were quite excited and happy. Some people just hated PayPal. So, I don't really know at the moment. However, what I do believe is that later down the line, I think PayPal will be huge in the crypto industry. I can see that happening for sure. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you've enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and you're leaving your bell icon on so you don't miss any other updates. And I'll be back with another video later today, people. Take it easy.